Welcome again to this channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can export video into high resolution in Wondershare Filmora 12. Well, without much ado, let's get started. Here is the video that I edited using Wondershare Filmora 12, and then I'm gonna show you the quick method in which you can actually use in order to export into HD. So click on export, and by the time you click on export, we are going to see the options in which we can export video into high resolution in Filmora 12. Now here it is. In Filmora 12, there are a lot of different options you can actually use in order to export, ranging from your WMV to MP4 to your device, to YouTube, to TikTok, to Vimeo, and also to DVD. Now we are going to click on local, and then it is on MP4. Now it might be on that device, yeah, but by the time you really want to export, okay, now just come back to local, and then by the time you click on local, we are going to click on the MP4 part of it, and then we are going to start the work. Now make sure it is in MP4. The name, of course, we are going to change it. Then you come to the quality, you change it to higher quality. But the more the quality, the more is going to be very, of course, heavy. Now the resolution is this is the highest resolution. We have a 1920 by 1080p. Of course, you go for it, and then the frame rates, I always like 25 frame rate, especially when I'm working with Filmora. Now by the time you have done, this setting has actually been set. Then click on the setting under this place for you to see some other more. You can actually increase the bit rate to like 2000 or 15,000, but I'm okay with let's say 8,000. But and then I'm gonna click on apply. With this, your video will be absolutely crisply, and by the time you are done with that, just click on export, and then your video will be exported in a full HD. Remember to subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna see you in the next video.